Hi guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things Monday to makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you would subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my March update for the project Panopoly. So if you want to see everything I've been working on and what we're rolling out and the new board, let's go ahead and get on into it. So if you don't know anything about this project, it was created by Jami at the Impulsive Panner. She's here on YouTube and over on Instagram. It's inspired by Monopoly and is a game board project, and you literally play it like Monopoly. You start at start, roll your dice, go around the board, do what the prompt says. If you land on challenge, there's a challenge wheel. If you don't want to pick your own uses, there's a random use wheel, which is what I use now, because if I don't have to think about something, even better. Random uses, let me have that. I just didn't do that for the very beginning, but then I fixed it. So, random use wheel. If you land on a prompt and you don't understand it, there are little blurbs at the very bottom of the page to help you understand. We are now on a new board, to be fair. The new board happened in February, but Jami updated that right after I had filmed my February update, so I wasn't going to refilm it, so I figured we'll wait till March. Hi, it's March. We get to use the new board. I'm so excited. So, let's get started with our products. We have a few things rolling out. I am excited. More things for the board. I should have got my highlighter of justice out, but I'll highlight things after. It's fine. So my very first product is my Go to Jail product, which is something you have to finish. So for me, I picked, this is the Lottie London and Vampire Diaries Cream Blush, and it's a pH adjusting blush. So it's in the shade Witchcraft. I didn't use this at all in February. It's still sitting 10 uses. To be fair, from the very beginning to now, 10 uses has made a huge jump in this. But I'm so over it. Like, I don't want this anymore. Like, I don't. It's a pretty color, but like, I'm just over the whole pH thing. I don't have any other pH products in my collection. I like the color that this is on my cheeks. I think my biggest issue is I don't like the delivery system. I have found for blushes and bronzers, I do not like pots like this. Highlighters is different because I go in with my finger for highlights no matter what, so that's different. But for blushes and bronzers, I prefer either a stick or something with a wand. I just don't like these pots. So we'll see for the next update. If I don't use this at all, I think I'm going to just declutter it, throw it out. Because I've used almost half of it. I've gotten really good use on it. I feel like I've gotten my money's worth on it. So I might declutter it next month. And if I do, that'll be a gold met. Because that's how we do it. But 10 uses. So the next one was Challenge, which was a 50 times goal is what I got. I got those back to back. I was devastated. And for that, I picked the Natasha Denona Berry Cheek Pop, the Berry Pop Cheek Trio, which looks like this. I think I've expanded the pan on this guy a little bit. I don't know. Maybe. To be honest, the blush is my favorite, but this was just really easy to hit pan on. Originally, I was just trying to hit pan on the blush, if you're new here, but then a couple months in, I changed it to using the whole trio. So, I used this twice in February, because I'm working on a million other things, and just the burgundy look that this does just didn't really go with the looks that I was doing, which is wild, because, you know, February, pinky looks, but it just didn't go. So, I have a total of 37 uses out of 50. So, if not next month, next month would probably be pushing it. But there was a month, December I got 15 uses, January I got 10. So it is plausible that I could have this as a rollout for next month. If not, it'll absolutely be a rollout for the month after. So but I'm happy I'm getting really good use on it. Every time I use this, it just makes me want the My Dream trio. But I don't need any more cream products in my collection. Absolutely not. The next product is You Choose, and it was an eye product. So I chose the About Face Shadow Stick in Aliens Are Real. I decluttered that, and I must have already given that to a friend because I don't have it. So, but I decluttered that on the 9th of February. Didn't use it in February. I have found other shadow sticks that are better, that are creamier, which is wild to me because I loved that shadow stick. And my thing is, as much as I love the shade Chartreuse, it was so hard to use it as a base for other shadows. So I ended up getting, because I needed to use it 30 times, I only got 12 uses on it. But we're counting it as a goal met and we're moving on. It's okay. The next product was a cream eyeshadow, and so I pulled in my Koki eyeshadow it's the Crystal Fusion Liquid Eyeshadow in Polaris. So, hope that you can see the shade there. I actually used this twice in February. I'm very proud of myself for using my liquid shadow. So we're at 4 out of 30 uses. This guy's gonna be in forever. But that's totally fine. We love to see it. But hey, 2 uses in a month is the most that's ever happened for that guy. So we should be pretty happy here. Yeah. Next, we had colorful eyeshadow. So I pulled in this ZC liquid eyeshadow, but it's like a liquid glitter liner. It's in the shade number 12. And I needed to get 5 uses on it. And I'm decluttering this. I got 1 use, and it's leaving. I actually decluttered it January 31st, but I filmed my February update so early that, like, this didn't make it into that update. So, I'm decluttering this because I just don't like the texture. It has some really chunky glitters, like the circle glitter pieces. And I have never liked those kind of glitter pieces. So see, look, I hope that you can see. You're not. Let's see if I turn the lights down. Maybe it'll focus. It's just got big chunky glitter pieces in it. And I'm just going to leave the lights down for now. You know what? No. The video had them up. Let's turn them back up. So I just don't like the texture. And it doesn't work as a liner. You can't use it that way. You have to tap it out and then it's a shadow. And I just don't like that. So it's getting decluttered. It's going. Then we had Challenge Wheel. And I had to try a makeup trend. So I did the Mocha Mousse look. And here's the photo of it. I made sure to save a photo. If you want to see photos in real time, me hitting Project Pan goals in real time, please go follow me on Instagram because I always post that stuff the day that it happens. But that is the Mocha Mousse look that I did. I did that over on February 5th. So, we be doing stuff real early. But I liked that look. I think it came out really, really cute. And last but not least, for something we were working on, we had colorful eyeshadow. So, I brought in... This is the ColourPop Super Shock in 4 Real. So, it's like a pink to peach shift. And I hit my goal on the 15th of February. I got 4 uses in February. So, there is that. But... yeah, that's it. I thought I was decluttering this, but like I'm not. I hit my goal on it. Don't mind me. Yeah. So, that means we are rolling in 1, 2, 3, 4 How was I working on 7 items? 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna only roll in 3 because I have to have an even number. So we're gonna roll in 3 prompts. Now let me get everything situated, screen recording situated, and all of that for this. Because the board itself is not interactive, but if you guys would like a whole to-do on how I've done all that, let me know. So let me get that all together. All right, so I have everything ready. We are starting at start from the new board because we don't, you know, it's a new board. So, it's always a lot. So let's, where's the button? There we go. There's too many things on here. What did we get? We got 6. So now we go to the board. Now you can see the new board here. And I put this like grayish lipstick. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is primer. That actually works. So then let's go back and we go to the usage wheel. And let's see what we get. Ooh, 20. Yep. 20 uses. Okay, close. So now let's roll again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. We got a 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We are just visiting this time. So let's roll again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got a 2. So 1, 2. A cream face product that actually works as well for me. Let's see how many uses we have to do on that. Come on, come on. Thank you. My tablet's like, this is too much for the screen recording. 10 use? Yep. 10 uses. Close. And I believe our last roll, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got a 5. Ooh. So from there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dang it! We were just 1 off challenge wheel. So, powder. Okay. Usage wheel. And our usage for a powder is 5. Cool. So I'm going to go pick all those products and I'll be right back. You have no idea how easy that was this time. Makes me want to roll in more products. So, for primer. This is a primer I've just been working on in the background because the primer I'm working on in a current project is a poreless primer and I never just want to smear that all over my face. So this is the e.l.f. Stay Cool Primer Stick. So I always put this on first and let this dry and then just put the pore filling, the poreless primer where I need it. So it says 20 uses, but that's all that's left. So I don't know if we're going to get 20 uses out of it, but if we finish it, I think that should still count as a goal met. Because it's not like there's this tiny bit of product. I think it'll still take a hot minute to use that. I'm just saying I don't know if we'll get a full 20 uses out of this. But I feel like if we finish the product, then that should equal the goal met. So that is the primer I'm bringing in. It is actually a very good primer stick. I do really like it. If I was in the market for another primer, I would buy it. And then for cream face product, this is also something I just pulled in to work on in the background to see if I like it. This is from Pink Lips. Something's jiggly in there, and I don't like that. And this is their bronzer stick. This is in the shade Latte. I actually just used it for the first time today, and I don't really have an opinion yet. It was the first time, but I have a 10-use goal on this guy. That's the shade. I think it's a nice shade. It was blendable. So I figure, hey, if I have something that I've thrown in here that's not in a project, and it fits prompt, I might as well use it in a project. I should have pulled in one of those for a powder. Oh, hang on. Because originally for powder, I pulled in this Kiko Milano single. It's a wet to dry single shadow. It's in the shade 200, which I believe is champagne. And I did look it up. These are powders because I just wanted to make sure. But hang on. Does this guy have 5 shades? I'm pulling this in instead because I want to get my opinions on this palette. So let me... Kypress palette. And that works because since it's 5 uses, that literally is 1 use per shade. So sorry. I'll need to roll this into something else soon because I've still never used it, and it is really beautiful. But I've had this for a hot minute. It's the Kypress Shimmer Palette, Active Illumination for Eyes and Body, and this was an exclusive BoxyCharm thing. I got this in friend mail, so this is what it looks like. And I just want to know, do I like it? Will these work as eyeshadows? Will these work as highlighters? So, we have Starlight, which that one's beautiful. Then we have Diamond Fire, which that one's also beautiful. Then we have Sun Glitter, which that one kind of sucks. There's 2 layers. And like you can kind of see it. That's the pink one. And then we have Gold Aura. Which for a gold, that's actually really pretty. And then we have Shadow Alchemy. Which this is the one I feel like I would use as an eyeshadow. But honestly, maybe I could use it as a powder bronzer. So, like I said, there's a 5-use goal on this, so I just want to use each shade 1 time and get my opinions on this palette. Because I have one other face palette over here set aside that if I can roll it into a project, I want to, just to like get my opinion on it, because I've had it for a hot minute and don't know how I feel about it. So that is going to do it for my March update. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you like what we rolled in. And otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys!